how to fix Gcash failed login attempt and error occurred while login into your account. Please try again in 1 minute. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gcash application. Go to Apps Info or I button. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Go back. Open Play Store. Go to search icon. Search Gcash app. Update your Gcash application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all 3 steps to fix Gcash failed login attempt and error occurred problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.